this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you different component of a motherboard, different connector. Will explain you a little bit. So this is a brand new motherboard. Socket of the motherboard could be different whenever you are assembling a computer. You have to see this is LGA 1150, then you have 1100, and always your processor and the motherboard, this number should be same because this is the place where the CPU will go. This is 1150, you have 1155 or many other version. Normally this is Intel motherboard, so you have Intel AMD motherboard as well, and these days, if I'm not wrong, you would have Nvidia motherboard as well. So this is Asus 5X. So let's go inside of this motherboard. So I will take this off from the pack, this brand new motherboard, and how you see the box. So let's start explaining the motherboard. You see here we have 4 slots of RAM in this case. So in this case you have only one side. Normally they have 2 side clip. Here the RAMs will go. So you'll put a RAM, then you clip the RAM with this. Normally DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, different version of RAM depend on the motherboard and the version. After that, here you have a clip. This is power supply. So 20 pin you have in this case, and here you can see we have 8 pins, so 28 pin motherboard. This one, a powerful one for a strong video card in strong performance. It has HD graphics built in, so you don't need to put any video card in this. Same, if you want, you can put as well. Here are some other ports for USB and power, other things. Here you can see SATA port. Normally they are as this SATA port, so you are using a hard drive, CD drive, you connect here in SATA port. More SATA port you have here. So here you have 6 SATA port. It's high-end motherboard, so if it's cheaper could be 2 or 4, but in this we have 6, and more expensive could be 8 as well. Here you have some places where you put different pin, USB, power, other stuff, more ports for USB, sound, other things. Here you can connect Wi-Fi antenna and sound card or other different type of card. Here normally you put a video card. So a video card as this, a big or medium, whatever, it will sit here directly. So this is a place of video card. After that you have battery. This is bias battery, sometimes I call. Here is the place of the chipset. Normally you would have a lock. In this we have lock here. So we take this level, put this up. Here you put chipset. This is Intel motherboard, so you put Intel chipset. Press down as this. You see here, this one, it should go in underneath the screw. Then you have to tighten this level, so your processor would be stuck there. Obviously when you're assembling, you have different circuits here. These 2 ports are for the cooler of motherboard. So here you have a cooler, the pin will go here, more additional cooler. These are the ports you can see from outside. So you see here, this for mouse and keyboard. Then this is coming with video card built in. So you have DVI port, you have VJ port, 4 USB port here. Blues normally I think USB 3, I think USB 2, and black are USB 3, or could be differ one to another. Here you have HDMI, so it has a built-in video card in this motherboard with 4K version. You have LAN port for internet, and you have 3 port for sound card and mic. So one green normally is the speaker, and pink I think is mic, and other one could be some other function, depends on the motherboard normally. And there is a light. You can see every motherboard comes with a light, normally green. Here back side you can see how it is lovely. You can, this chipset is near the place of chipset. So guys, so this is a basic description of a motherboard and how it looks and why you can put different things. If you have any question, you can ask me if you are assembling a computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.